The U0121 trouble code means your vehicle has lost communication with the ABS control module. This module manages important safety systems like anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability control. When communication fails, you may notice warning lights on the dashboard such as ABS, traction control, or stability control, and some safety features may stop working. Try these. 1. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner. Confirm the U0121 code and check for other related communication codes that may point to the root problem. 2. Check the ABS module fuse and power supply. Locate the fuse box and inspect the ABS system fuse or relay to ensure it isn't blown. 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged wiring, loose connectors, or corrosion around the ABS control module and wheel speed sensor connections. 4. Check battery voltage and grounds. Low voltage or poor ground connections can interrupt CAN bus communication between modules. 5. Clear the code and test drive. After fixing any wiring or electrical issues, clear the code with the scanner and drive the vehicle to see if the warning returns.